Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I am here with something really interesting. Yes, I know you guys are totally bored staying at home, like have nothing to do, but I have really good ideas which you can do at home and which you won't even strike. So मैंने सोच के दिमाग लगा के I made a list. So you guys can follow that and have fun being at home, and घर पे रहना is not that difficult. So guys, please stay at home, stay safe, take care. It's important. Life is more important than any of the thing in life. Okay, that's the first thing. And second thing, जिसको घर से काम है, people who are having work from home are literally irritated. I know it's a big irritating thing. We feel that office is better than working from home. So yeah, people who are working from home, all the best. Yes, so without wasting time, let's go into the video. First thing, watch. Scroll towards your social media, see all your Facebook pending notifications, and just scroll social media. I know you guys must have almost done all those things, but then also just a thing in a list which you can do and pass your time. Next thing is that clean your room, clean your cupboard, clean your home, help your mom to clean everything. I know couple of guys and girls have almost done that thing and they are done with that also, but don't worry, I have a lot of different things ahead. Next thing is that you can have your skincare, like you can scrub your face, you can have a face pack, remove blackheads. You can do a lot of things since you have a lot of time. Next thing is that your hair, oil your hair every day, wash your hair every day. Yes, you have time, so you can wash your hair, you can oil your hair, you can do hair spa, like apply hair mask and put that in steam, or just wet your towel in hot water, and you can put that on your head, and this way you can do spa at home. I have a lot of videos regarding that. I'll link all those things in the description box. Next thing is that you can back up your phone, your laptop, sort your pictures, your videos and your documents, all those things. And if you are a person using less laptop and phones, then you can sort your documents. You must be definitely having documents. You can take time and just concentrate on your documents and फुर्सत से बैठ के sort कर लो उसको. Next thing you can do is learn new things in your profession. Like if you are a student, you can learn new things in, like if you are engineer, you can learn regarding that. If you are doing job, you can learn advanced things in that. You can learn a lot of things since you have 21 days and it's a big number of days. So yes, you can learn a lot of things. Next thing is learn cooking. Yes, it will even help your mom since maids are not coming, so it will help your mom. And just don't spoil and उनका काम ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़ाना. But yes, you can learn cooking, you can help her. Even you are a guy or a girl, everyone needs to learn cooking nowadays. At least you can learn basic things. Next thing you can do is stitching. If you don't know stitching, you can learn stitching. If you know stitching, you can make some things, like you can make a lot of things while you're sitting at home. You can learn embroidery, you can learn basic how to tuck in your button and a lot of things. So just figure it out. This is just an idea. Next thing is that you can do exercise. In exercise you can just jump around, you can do skipping, you can do yoga, you can have 1 minute challenge with your family, like 1 minute plank challenge, 50 squats challenge, and a lot of things. ठीक है ना, even if you get tired, it's okay, you are at home for a lot of days. And next thing you can do is dance. You can do Zumba, you can just play music and have fun and dance. Next thing, this is for girls, you can learn how to do makeup since you are free, and makeup is something every girl must know, at least basic makeup. So if you want, I have done basic makeup ka tutorial, and if you want detailed, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll upload a detailed makeup tutorial, and if not, there are a couple of videos on YouTube. You can just go there and learn. Practice makes man perfect, so you can practice for at least 5-6 days and you are ready to go. You will know makeup after 21 days. Next thing is learn and try hairstyle on your hair. This is for guys and girls both. Guys, you can just experiment with your hair since you have time. You can keep your hair this way, that way, and try which suits your face. Similarly, for girls, you can try hundreds of hairstyles, simple hairstyles, difficult hairstyles for wedding, for party, for office, for regular day, and a lot of hairstyles you can try and experiment and see which looks best on your face, and you are ready to go. And whenever you are in a hurry, if you have practice of your hairstyle, you can do within minutes. Is that do painting or drawing if you are creative. If not drawing, you can just doodle around, like write names in a creative manner, or you can just color. If you don't have colors, you can use painting colors, or if you don't have anything, you can use pens. Like pen and pencil is a best combination which everyone has, and you can just make a lot of things using that. Next thing is that you can play board games with your family. If you don't have any board games, you can play bingo, which is in Indian language it is known as housey. If you don't have housey ka board, you can play bingo like we played in school. You can play X and Zero. There are a lot of board games you can play. Next thing you can do is photo shoot at your home. Whole family is at home. Obviously you can do your photo shoot at home. It's really amazing. Just get ready. Make your mom, dad, brother or anyone at your home ready. Tell them to get ready perfectly like they are going out, and then click pictures. You can click pictures using selfie stick, or not, then you can click on your phone with a timer, just putting somewhere on books or on support of any glass or anything, and you can click a lot of pictures. It's amazing. It's really fun. Next thing is that you can play Xbox. If you have, you can play video games if you have at home. If not, then you can play online games like Ludo or there are many such games on phone which you can play with your friends who are sitting far. Next thing is that call everyone. Do a video call to everyone, or just call everyone to whom you always say that I am busy, I'll call once I get free, or with whom you are not in contact, like your friends who were in school with you or who were in college with you, or you can contact many people or relatives, your cousins, or you can just make a conference video call and have fun. It's really amazing. You'll have fun. Just try. Next thing is that you can do is sit and improve your GK. Like you can learn a lot of general knowledge things. Like for example, I'll give 2 examples. First thing you can learn is that how many states do India have, and what are the name of the states, and what are the capital of that state, like which city is the capital of that state, and you can learn a lot of things. And if you know these things, you can learn the name of the CM of every state, and if not that, you can learn how many countries do you have, and what is the capital of that country, and which are the main famous cities, and you can improve your GK this way. Next thing is that you can plan your tour, like your next trip. It is really time consuming and you have time right now, so you can just make a route and places to travel in that country, in that city or in that state, and you can just write it down and just make it ready. So whenever you have money, whenever you have time, you can travel around. You don't need to plan that time since you have planned. Yes, you can modify that time, but you don't need to plan from scratch, which takes a lot of time. Next thing is that you can do is foot spa and hand spa, that is manicure pedicure, which is also time consuming and you can do right now. It is really nice and it will make you feel very good. And if you have old people at your home, you can tell your mom, dad also so to do this. It will make them feel really nice. Even you can do, just take a hot water in a bucket and put some salt and some shampoo and just put your feet inside. You'll feel amazing and your feet will be like literally very nice. Next thing you can do is style your clothes. When you have to go to office or college, you don't have time and you just wear whatever you get in your cupboard. What you can do is that try 2-3 combinations of one outfit and you can keep it as it is, or you can click pictures so that you may not forget in future, and you can wear once your office or your colleges start, so it becomes easy for you that time and you can look best and style your best. Next thing is really amazing. I just love, and I'm literally going to do this today or tomorrow. Just remove your old photos or your old CDs and watch them. It is really nostalgic. You can take your mom dad's wedding CD and watch that, your mom dad's wedding album, or when you were kid, pictures of that, and watch them and just discuss with your family. That's really nostalgic. Next thing is that check your mails. There are a lot of unwanted mails, so just check them and delete them. It will remove all the space. Next thing is that worship God and learn new things related to that, whichever God you believe. Learn new things in that, go little deep inside that, ask your parents like what's inside that and what, ask questions about that and learn those things. It's time to learn. Next thing is that watch series. Just, it's simple. Start a series with hundreds of episodes and you will never be bored. You'll just keep on watching and your 21 days will go within seconds. Next thing is that you can read book. I know many of the people don't like to read book, but you can give it a try. Even I don't like reading books, but I don't know, I'm really curious about book like Rich Dad Poor Dad, 0 to 1. I got that 2 books really long back, but I haven't read till now, so I thought why not give it a try. So I'm thinking to read that book. So if you guys want, you can also read. If you have any old book which you have kept in your cupboard and not yet read, you can give it a try. Okay, that was all for today. I hope you like my video and I hope you got couple of ideas, and do let me know in the comment section if you have any other ideas and if you are doing something else. And you can DM me on social media. We'll just have chat and time pass and have fun. That was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye bye.